Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. So today I'm going to show you how to trade with support and resistance. So here you see this is strong trend. I see opportunity before I start. I just place my trade call option at this level. So let me explain here. You see here you can see this level. It's very strong level, and the whole area is the level, and the market reverse is ranging market. You can see market comes down again. You see how market is going on and up and down. You see here market create double top, but because of this level market is really strong. This level is so strong. So I can see here reversal pattern. You can see tweezers button here, tweezers button. So this tweezers button shows that market will reverse from this level. If you can analyze here very well, you can see this is this engulfing market reverse, another engulfing market reverse, here pencil line pattern market reverse. You see here evening star market reverse, another evening star market reverse, here engulfing market reverse. So this tweezers button, so market must reverse because of this pattern. Anytime market create pattern at this level, then it reverse. So anytime you see such market, you see ranging market like this, Bollinger is flat, market is between lower and upper dB, 2 dB, BB. So you know market anytime it comes to this level, if you see reversal pattern, market will reverse. So that's why I place my trade call option immediately after I see this pattern. So let's analyze another market and see whether we can get another opportunity. So here is another area. This is strong area here. You see market is rejecting from this level, and there is change of polarity at this level. So let's see, but the trend is down, but it's trying to reverse because of, yes, here I will place my trade call option at this level. You see market is not nice, took me up, but I know definitely this candle will be green because this candle closed exactly at this level. And you see here we are far away from 2 deviation. So market is trying to reverse after this strong trend. See, after this strong bullish momentum, you understand? So market create this evening star here, so then consolidated at this area, and this candle close exactly at this support and resistance level. You see this week, this is resistance, another resistance, this is support, this is support. Market close at this level, this change of polarity. So that's why I place my trade. You see I place my trade here. See strong bias entry because of anytime you see momentum on the left side, so you should expect momentum on the right side. So that's why I know definitely market will bias must enter from this level. So you see this is winning trade. So let's analyze another market. Let's see whether we can get another opportunity. So you see here it's uptrend, and here we are in support and resistance level. You see pullback from this 50 EMA. You see strong bias entry. Maybe if market yes, I place my trade call option because of the strong bias entry at this level. So I know definitely bias must enter because of this rejection from this 50 EMA. After this pattern created, bias enter strongly. So that's why I know definitely bias must enter at this candle. So when market comes down, then I decided to place my trade. Even though market is doing some panic, I know it will close above my entry point. So you see, this is winning trade again. So what you see here, this structure from this Bollinger trend, strong bearish momentum, create head and shoulders here. You see, first shoulder, head, first shoulder, head, then second shoulder, then market starts to going up strongly, then market create double top here, comes down again. At 20 EMA, market create double bottom, then it goes off, double top again, comes down. At this level here, at this level, I can see market rejected from this 50 EMA. You see, market rejected from this level at the same low with this candle here. Market rejected. So I know after this rejection, because this is 20 EMA, market rejected exactly from this, 50 EMA. Market rejected exactly from this 50 EMA. So I know definitely the next candle must be green. If this green candle is big like this, break this 20 EMA, market will start going up because of weak, and there is momentum of sellers here. And you can see this candle after this reversal pattern from this 50 EMA, the next candle should be strong. You understand? So, but the next candle is weak, then you should expect sellers entry. You should expect sellers entry. So this is the way that you will be analyzing the market. So I took total 3 trades, all are winning trade. So I will stop trading now. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe. If you have any question or comment or suggestion, please drop it below comment section on this video. So I will say thank you, bye bye.